This is a photo of Queen Victoria Street in Tredegar. From the style of the small houses, it is likely that the owners of the ironworks and collieries built them for their workers. What appears slightly strange in this photo are the buckets that are thrown down the street. These would have contained household waste, and from the way they have been placed, it looks like they have been recently emptied. The biggest feature in this photo is the Gwalia shop run by D. Williams. It is likely that most shops in the area they would have supplied the coal miners and iron workers with food and other supplies. This was also a steam bakery which would have supplied fresh bread. Today the street still stands, although some of the houses have been remodelled and are now taller. The shop has been converted into a house and the main doorway is now a blank wall.